This is the home test where I recreate some of my favorite dishes. If you watched my previous short, you know I went to happy hour at Harp and Crown as well as the Capitol Grill. I thought that I would share the process of making my favorite cocktail, margarita. Now it's time to taste with my favorite special guest, my mom.
Hey everyone. Cheers.
And here is her reaction. I had so much fun recreating this recipe. Let me know if you want the full recipe below. And also, I always love hearing from you all. So, until next time, tastefully yours, Browne.